Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Hope School and College Mirpurkhas project of Sindh Education Foundation from Government of Sindh. This is Abdul Jaleel Lagari as a chemistry tutor class 12. Today my topic is chapter 1 of periodic table. This is the final periodic table which has been published in our book. This will we teach in last. We study in last. Now start from periodic table first. What is periodic classification? Periodic classification to group together means to group element together having same chemical or physical properties. This is for easiness to study about elements and get much knowledge about the properties in short time. Like in everyday life example, when you put your book on bookshelf, not on shoes shelf, so after you need, you go to bookshelf for taking book. So means every object has a particular place in our home. So similar in periodic table, every element is classified according to their properties. So this is the simple definition of periodic table. Okay, now let's start from beginning how periodic table is made. You can see this is the final periodic table. So how this periodic table has come to us by the effort of different scientists, such as first one was Doebereiner Tried's law. Doebereiner presented his law in 1829. He made three group element and was based on atomic weight. So here figure on the right showing that Doebereiner trieds. In these lithium, sodium, potassium group he made, and he concluded that sodium atomic weight can be found from by the addition of first and last element divided by 2. Means he took arithmetic mean of two elements and find the third element atomic weight. Now Newland law. Newland law is also called law of octaves, and he present his law 1869 and arranged the element into increasing atomic weight. Sorry, I have written here atomic number. This is not atomic weight. I wrongly written here number. Okay. And he observed that every 8 element have similar properties to first one. Figure right showing the lithium to chlorine atomic weight. You can see in the down of lithium there is a sodium and beryllium have a magnesium. Means each group have same properties. So this was the Newland law. Now after Newland, Mayer's law has contribution, but I skip this because this was not important. That's why I skip this. Anytime or any further detail I will talk about this law. Now important is Mendeleev periodic table. What Mendeleev said. Mendeleev present his law when 1869, and he periodic law was depend on atomic weight. But there are some pros and cons of Mendeleev law, such as he identified the element in this time was not discovered, but he predict his position that when the element discovered and they are placed in the same position was told by Mendeleev. This was Ica boron, Ica silicon, Ica aluminum. So this is the short video. Therefore, for further detail, contact to admin the Hope School and College, main campus, Mirva Gorjani, Mirpurkhas. Now, modern Moseley periodic law. Modern periodic law was based on the atomic number. In 1903 to 1913, atomic structure was discovered. Therefore, it helps to Moseley to arrange the periodic table according to the increase of atomic number. So during his research, complete periodic table has developed, and A and B elements were separated. So what are A, what are B? There is some detail remain. Now, long form of periodic table based on electronic configuration. Long form of periodic table classified group and period according to the electronic configuration. So electronic configuration follow the rule n plus n. N plus n L is the Aufbau principle. So further detail Aufbau principle I will made another video. So this is only introductory video. Now in these period groups and blocks are made, and some details are remain. Now final is type of element based on electronic configuration. Means how many elements, how many types of element are in periodic table. So periodic table is divided into noble gases group, representative element we can call it A group, and transition elements we call it B group. So in these A group, representative S, P, D and transition element blocks are classified. So what are the S, P, D, F? These are the azimuthal principal quantum number. Okay. Now thanks for watching and listening. For further contact the Hope School and College main campus, Mirva Gorjani, Mirpurkhas.